Introduction. HTML Dropdown is a feature of HTML5 that allows users to select an option from a predefined list, implemented using the select tag, with each option represented by an option tag, commonly used in forms for users to choose from a set of alternatives. Creating a basic dropdown, created using the select tag with option tags inside to represent individual choices. Each option tag has a value attribute to identify the selected option. The text within the option tag is what the user sees in the drop-down menu. Setting a default option can be set that is selected when the page loads. This is done by including the selected attribute in the relevant option tag. For example, setting Mercedes as the default option in the drop-down menu. Grouping related options, the opgroup tag can be used to group related options under a single category. This makes the drop-down menu easier to navigate. Common mistakes and tips. One common mistake is forgetting to include the value attribute in the option tag, which is necessary for identifying the selected option. Neglecting to use the opgroup tag for a large number of options can also be a mistake, as it can improve user experience by organizing options into logical groups. The select tag does not support the placeholder attribute. To include an instructional prompt, create an option tag with an empty string value. The placeholder option should not have the selected attribute. Otherwise, it will be the default selection. Conclusion. HTML dropdowns are versatile tools that can enhance the user experience of web forms. Understanding how to use the select, option, and opgroup tags can help in creating well-structured, user-friendly drop-down menus. Important to avoid common mistakes like forgetting the value attribute and not using the opgroup tag when necessary.